So hi, today I'm going to walk you through our MVP for Agentic Canvas. You'll notice a few UI UX elements are not quite ready. This is because we'll be launching it in the next week and we still need a few more days to finish those things. But when a user logs in, they get access to a few different their projects. Each project will have its own context, so this is to help the agent kind of navigate those different projects that the designers might be working on. For example, if I open this one, so here I've got already some context set up. So I've got the project overview, some trends, industry trend, and a logo. So this would be things that are set up by the designer, art director, that might be coming from the clients, all the kind of things that the agent needs to do its work. On the right hand side, right now it's just a text box, but this will be more like cursor once it's finished. So this is the agent. On the left hand side, you've got the AI apps that the user can use or the agent can use. Right now, there's just a few that were have set up for the demo, but obviously there'll be a lot more once it goes live. And the other thing, so some of those apps will be set up by us, but we also want to make it possible for our users to create their own apps. So when we're working with AI teams, that's something that they quite often want to do. So yeah, let's try it out. So here I've got this logo, and let's try to put it on a cup of coffee. Okay, so this is the basic image you get from Nano Banana when you don't put in kind of more context in the prompt. Now let's try to ask the agent to write us a better prompt, because this looks like a very kind of generic image of a logo on a coffee shop. Okay, so the agent added the prompt here. As you can see, it's a lot much bigger prompt with a lot more context. And yeah, let's try to generate again and see what we get now. Okay, so that's already much better. Okay, so now we can ask the agent to do something completely different. Let's just describe a task and let it do it. Okay, so here the agent made four, as you can see, very different images. So this is kind of what we asked it to do. The background, just use Nano Banana again. And then finally, let's ask it to, let's say this is the image that we like. Let's ask it to make it a video. Okay, so now it made this little short videos. In the background, all it did is that it called the Kling app in this case and made it a video. So yeah, that's what we're building, and as I said, it should be, the MVP should be out in the next few days.